Alright, welcome to another video for chemistry. In this video we're going to do a couple of word problems so you can see how our derived atmospheric units convert from each other. Alright, so let's take a look at the first one. The pressure outside a jet plane flying at a high altitude falls considerably below standard atmospheric pressure. Therefore, the air inside the cabin must be pressurized to protect the passengers. What is the pressure in atmospheres in the cabin if the barometer reading is 688 millimeters mercury? All right, so what's the pressure in atmospheres? So that is the unit that we want. That is our desired unit. And our problem has given us a reading of 688 millimeters mercury. So what we want to do is we want to go back and we want to find out what the conversion factor is in converting millimeters mercury to atmospheres. So these are the units that we want. This is what our arithmetic is going to look like, or at least the structure of it is. Our units, or the unit that we want to get rid of is going to go in the denominator position, and the unit that we want is in the numerator position, which is atmospheres. So let's take a look now. So 760 millimeters mercury, the conversion factor to atmospheres is 1 atmosphere. So per 1 atmosphere, we get 760 millimeter mercury. All right. So if you recall from the previous video how we derived this, if you don't, I invite you to watch the third video on this series of videos. So here we go. Here's our conversion factor. Now this is going to allow us to get rid of this unit, millimeters mercury, and it will allow us to now get atmospheres. So after that, we just do arithmetic, which essentially goes down to 688 divided by 760, which gives us 0.905 atmospheres. Okay, let's take a look at another word problem. The atmosphere pressure in San Francisco on a certain day was 732 millimeters mercury. What was the pressure in kilopascal? Okay, so my given unit was 732 millimeter mercury. The unit that I want to get rid of is millimeter mercury, so I put that in the denominator. And I know that whatever unit I'm converting to, it's going to have to go from 760 millimeter mercury, given that that was what my given was, right? So I want to convert to kilopascal. So I'll go back to my little chart there. And what is the conversion factor for millimeter mercury to kilopascal? 760 to 1.01325 times 10 to the second power. So then I put that in. That helps me eliminate my my given unit, and it helps me to get my desired unit. And now all I got to do is the conversion factor, okay? Or do the arithmetic. 732 times 1.0132 times 10 to the second power divided by 760. That gives me 97.6 kilopascal. Okay, so perhaps these problems will remind you of stoichiometry in chemistry and another subject matter. It's done the same way, the conversion factors are. It's just a matter of memorizing what they are and then plugging them in and then arithmetically, if is that a word, arithmetically, mathematically checking them out. Okay, so that does it for word problems for atmospheric pressure. I hope this was helpful. And there will be many more problems that will work in class. So good luck in your study.